Hello and welcome to another episode of Tip for Tip, where you, the business owner, ask us a marketing question in exchange for a tip in your industry. My name is Aaron.
And my name is Christian. And today we have Gabe with DFW Storm Solutions.
So bit branding, my question had to do with pixels. Whenever I'm doing our Facebook advertising, it asks me if I want to add a pixel to it and really don't have any idea what that is or how to go about setting that up. Would you all be able to help me out with that?
All right, so pixels are tiny pieces of code that you insert into your website that essentially automatically gather information from your web visitors.
Yes. And what's good is you don't have to necessarily have it on your website. You could put it on a landing page, which is like a little smaller website. You could put it, there's just a lot of different places you can put it. Most people do put it on a website, but as Christian said, it's just to track what's going on, which sounds bad if you're a consumer listening to this, but as a business owner, it's important to understand where people are going on your website and how they're getting there and how to remarket to them, really to remarket back to people.
Yeah, absolutely. Us marketers, we love pixels.
Yes.
Because it allows us to make audiences out of people who have visited your website or your landing page.
Or watch this video. If you watch 25% of this video, you're gonna see an ad.
Exactly. So that's how pixels work. They're in the background, just working for you, gather information about people who are visiting your website, landing pages, watching your videos, things like that.
And as far as setting it up, we actually created a tutorial. Well, I think I did create it. I don't know. I don't remember.
It was a long time ago.
Yeah, it was like a couple years ago. But you will be able to click it here or there because it will be one of these places, and you'll be able to watch the tutorial. It's about 4 minutes long on how to install it, whether it's a WordPress site, it's a Webflow site, whether it's Squarespace, Shopify. This tutorial will explain to you where to get your pixel and how to install it for your business and your company. And if you do nothing else, if you never run any ads or you do anything, at least install this, because you have to have this. It can't track data. It can't backdate data.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we definitely recommend everyone to have a pixel on their website, just so you have historical data of people who have visited, so you can retarget.
Yep.
All right, hopefully that was good. Let us know your tip for us.
All right, so the tip that I wanted to add today is how to identify a vehicle with a 100% accuracy 100% of the time. The way to tell the year of the vehicle is through the VIN. And so if you find the VIN right here, it's right there on the dash. You count 8 characters back. It's going to give you a number or a letter, and that's going to be the year of the vehicle. So this one, for example, the last 8 is JX. The 8th character back was a J. That is the year of the vehicle. So if that J was a 7, that would mean the vehicle is a 2007. If that J was an 8, it would mean it was 2008. If it was a 9, it would be 2009. Now, at 2010, they switched to letters. So if it was a 2010, the 8th character back would be A, 2011, B, 2012, C, 2013, D, and so on and so on. This one happens to be a J, which makes it 2018. Now, the cool part is the last 8 of the VIN is actually located right here beneath the registration, beneath the expiration. So that means that first character in that series of 8 is actually the year of the vehicle, and that J makes it 2018. And that's how you identify a vehicle with 100% accuracy 100% of the time.
Hey, that was a great tip. I always rate a tip back from a business owner on whether or not I actually found it was useful, and that was a 5 out of 5 on usefulness for me. So, applause.
Snaps.
Snaps.
Triple snaps. All right, today's question of the day is, do you have the Facebook pixel installed on your website? Yes or no?
All right, Gabe, thanks so much for coming on the show. We really enjoyed coming out to your location. Such an awesome space, and I hope Jack shows a little bit more B-roll of how cool your space is right here. And if you are a business owner who's watching this, you've got this far into it, and you're like, dang, I have a cool location, or I have a cool place that you guys should come check out, make sure to go to bitbranding.co/tip for tip so that you can get free Facebook advertising, get on our show, and get a lot of free content and marketing question answered. Yeah. Bye. Subscribe if you watch this far and you're really watching this far. Subscribe.
Yeah, hit that thumbs up.
And the
so
bell
we know that we're
if you're on
doing a good
YouTube.
job.
Bell if you're on YouTube. If not, subscribe, like, share.